Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get the Deadpool nameplate. First, from the main menu, you'll want to find your career profile. Look for your avatar, typically located in the top left corner of your screen, and click on it. This will open your personal hub, where you can view your statistics and begin customizing your in-game appearance. Once inside your career profile, you'll see several tabs. Navigate to and select the Customize tab. This is where you can personalize various aspects of your in-game look. After that, choose the nameplate option. This will bring up a list of all the different nameplates you can use to personalize your profile. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the nameplate list. You're looking for the Marvel Snap nameplate, which prominently features Deadpool's iconic image. Once you've found it, simply select it and then click the Acquire button. This will prompt a purchase window detailing the cost of this unique item. To acquire the Deadpool nameplate, you'll need 300 units, which is the main in-game currency. Don't worry, you can earn these units through various gameplay activities. Completing your daily missions is a great way, as is advancing through the Battle Pass. You can also participate in special in-game events to accumulate the necessary currency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.